So at this moment, I'm printing the newest version of my product, which I designed from my moto. And this is a significant change, I will say, because you can see the quality, although it has some stringing because of the slicer, I will say, but my god, it is looking fabulous. I will show you. It's now detached product. Instead of one, I'm printing two of these, and it looks awesome. And this has a different infill. Till here it's 100% infill, like till here, to give more strength to this hinge, and over this it's completely 15%. Also this was printed like this, like vertically, I will say, and the fuzzy skin made a lot of difference. You can see the fuzzy skin. I don't know if it's getting focused or not because I'm using my iPhone back camera and I can't see what I'm recording. So the layer lines are not very visible. The quality looks fabulous. I talked to a bunch of people and got their feedback. Even the text looks awesome over here. You can see here the strength is there. Even on the second portion, it's 100% infill on the hinge side. But it was a long journey, I would say. As you can see, this was the initial version printed in PLA, and it's not very good. It was bending. I tested it for a few days, although it was just one single part. I could hear some things, and then because of the heat, it failed over here. So it was a learning curve, but this was a very crucial design because I made this locking mechanism. After making that, I modified this portion with this, and this one was almost final as well. But I was not really happy with I was not really happy with the overall like feel of it. It was using too much material. I wanted to optimize it, so I did last night, and it's a long journey getting from here to here. I used this phone, not this one. I used Poco phone to take some pictures, to do photogrammetry, and my god, under 2 months since getting the 3D printer, I created this product, and I'm very proud. These were some initial testing samples, I will say, and there's already a video of all the parts, and it was an amazing journey to come up with something like this. But I'm now making the version which has a little more, I will say, I will rotate the computer and show you what I mean to say. So you can see here I made this extension little more wide, and you can see the shape is different. It has this bulge like wave shape to stop the water from getting inside this. So I'm just printing these two now for the wire, and I optimized the underneath portion to check the material if it's going to be, you know, with a more strength or not. So that's all. I hope you liked it, and this is the new print which is getting printed. How cool is this? It's going to take almost 5 more hours, and these are the supports. I would like to reduce the thickness of the supports, and in a second you can see it's doing 100% infill. I will try to zoom it. See, those are those back portions are for the hinge. It's doing a great job doing that, and fingers crossed. If you are liking this channel's progress, or you have any suggestions, I'm open to the suggestions, and I will be greatly happy if you can, be part of this channel. Okay, have a nice day.